Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by locating Recorder app and tapping on it. Then click on this gear at the top right corner and adjust all of those options however you want to, like for example recording format. When you finished, go back and tap on this red button to start your recording. Then select while using the app in the pop-up and allow in the other one. As you can see, recording is on. You can pause it or unpause it thanks to this left button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on the right one, and to end it and save it on the middle one. As you can see, my recording is here. To play it, click on it. If you wish to rename it, hold it, tap on rename, type in wherever you wish to, and hit OK. In order to get rid of it, hold it again, but this time tap on delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!